Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Asia like the continent, but you can call me Asia B, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for being here. And if you're returning, so we have a little earring haul. I ordered some things from Swarovski. I've always wanted some of their jewelry. We're gonna really get into it. Like, these have been on my wish list for some time and they were like 50% off on sale. Make sure you subscribe to my newsletter. I'm going to do better at posting like more sale events that's happening. So be sure to subscribe. The link will be in the description, or you can visit my blog, callmeasiab.com, and subscribe there. But yeah, I bought these earrings as a treat myself because I did a pretty big project and I can't wait to share them with y'all. So yeah, let's get into it. So first off, when you get your order, your receipt and everything comes in a envelope like this. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, with the little emblem on the top, as it should. When you're getting pricier things, packaging is very important. I don't care what anybody says. So I got 4 different earrings. So let's get to these first. Comes in a box like this. These are the hoops. I love the packaging again. Love her. How pretty. Bright as yellow. I love that for me. Listen, I've been wanting these for at least over a year or 2. I can't remember the first time I saw them, but it was some time ago. And all the time I'm like, one day. Well, today's the day, man. Let's really just get into these real quick. These are so freaking gorgeous. I just love it. So yeah, you're gonna pull back these little tongue thingy that's holding them in place. We have more mystery things happening. Is this little pamphlet? Oh, a little care instruction pamphlet. That's cute. This is my first time ever getting anything from Swarovski. So if you don't know, I love jewelry. Earrings specifically. That's like been my, I don't want to say weakness. It's been my strength for most of my life, okay? A little bit closer up look. The pink versions, I also did get another color as well. But we have this latch, this latch piece that goes in your ear and then closes on the other side. The tip of the, what shape is this? Let me not even ask myself that. Octagon, right? Yeah, it has 8 sides. Jesus. Kids left behind for sure. But yeah, I love these. I think these are like, they're subtle, but they're just enough where it's like, oh wow. Obsessed. I can even finish my thought. There's nothing really much to say. Do you see these? Oh my gosh, like, let's really take a moment. Just imagine me really done up. I wanted to put like on a neutral shirt so we can just really, you know, get into the earrings. They're super comfortable on. They're not as heavy as I thought they would be, so that's perfect. I do have smaller ears. Some people, it's different on camera, but I have super small ears, which is crazy to me. And I do wear heavy earrings. Listen, it is what it is. I'm super happy though that these aren't like weighing down my earrings. I can definitely see these being worn like all freaking day. These are so cute, and the pink is like this baby pink, but with the way that it reflects in the light, is giving you like different shades of it, low key. Ooh, I love that. Oh my gosh. Okay, yes. It's a yes for me. They're the perfect size. Like, they're not, you know, won't, which I don't mind if they wanted to make a version of Swarovski. It's perfect, gorgeous. 10 out of 10. Child, so we also got the green teal looking pair. My God, that's how things should make you feel. When you buy new stuff, there should be like this feeling in your tummy that's like so excited, and like you can feel it in your chest. When I think about certain things like clothing or jewelry, people are like, oh my God, you might be so crazy. It should scream at you. Whenever you're buying something, that's really probably my #1 rule when I'm looking to buy something. It has to scream, and I gotta scream back. That's the only way I know. I'm gonna make sure I put y'all on for it when the next sale pop up, okay? Because when it's a sale, I'm there, okay? How freaking gorgeous. Let me turn all the way to the side. These are so bomb. Oh, my heart is just happy. Like, that's really it. I'm just so happy. I can't wait. All colors are really versatile when you think about it, but I feel like a lot of my wardrobe, when I think about it, pink and green, like this is a green teal situation going on, but it goes with so many things that I have in my closet. Like I'm looking over to my left, like for instance, just grab this. If we wanted a sparkly, shiny moment, do you hear me? I think these are like perfect for everyday wear. But like if you have a little event that you're going to, I think these types of earrings that aren't like screaming, you know, jumping out at people, but like they're like, oh wait, I don't know, let me look at your ear. Yeah. So we also ordered some stud earrings. Packaging again, the foam, love that. Definitely probably gonna keep the original packaging, especially when I'm traveling. Look how gorgeous. Now these I say are like definitely like everyday wear as well, but also perfect for when you have an event. Like these studs are statement studs and I love that. I don't really have statement studs like that, I don't feel. The post in it is stainless steel. I want to say it's stainless steel. Yeah, and then the super cute, like it's kind of open. You see how it's open on one side, but it's surrounded by the gold wiring on the others. Love that. Again, super lightweight, especially for my ears. Like I said, they're smaller. So for the sake of fashion, I do be putting my ears through it sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. And if when I wear these earrings, I would definitely want to have a different earring in my other holes, probably a stud as well, because my hoop is kind of in the way. Or maybe I'll transfer my third earring to the second hole in the hoop on top. How freaking cute. Stop. These are so nice. Yeah, every day. But if you were to, let's say, have an event, have your hair up, I don't have to worry about having my hair up because my hair is already up. Have a nice little drop necklace, similar in the round situation, even a rounded neckline. We're going round, if you couldn't tell, right? But a rounded neckline or something. And with these earrings, yeah, I love them. I want to wear them every day. Secret. I wonder how that would look. How would these look in my second hole? I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm scared. But make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I'll probably do some there. But these are so freaking cute. Yeah. Okay, and these are our last pair. They're sister to the ones we just looked at. Look at these. My goodness. They match my nails, so I love that. But these are so freaking bomb. And you see we have that black wiring going around, but then having open space on opposite sides. That is so cute. 10 years later, finally got them out. Definitely had to pop off one of my nails to try to get it on, but here we are. These are so freaking pretty. And let me show you the back of them. I just love the detail. Oh, my tummy is so excited. Like, I love that. How beautiful. It's not like a straight line. I love, oh. These are so freaking pretty. Again, super lightweight. These are definitely going in with my silver agenda. Usually I'm a gold girl. Like that's usually where I stay with my jewelry. But these are really just like, they're taking me out of my comfort zone just a little bit, but I'm so happy to be out. Oh, wow. Between these and the gold, but the hoops, I don't know. Let me know what your favorite pair are because they all hit them for me. Like it's some sparking right here. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know again which pair of earrings that you're feeling. I'm just so in love with them all. I can't choose. But again, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Okay, stay safe and I will see you later.